women's cricket has shattered viewership records globally, attracting millions more fans than many established male leagues. This incredible surge reveals a game evolving with breathtaking skill and unprecedented passion. Once considered a niche, women's cricket now stands as a powerful force in professional sports. It showcases athletes who defy expectations with their athleticism, strategy, and sheer determination on the field. Viewers are drawn to the dynamic play, from lightning-fast bowling to audacious batting performances. The sport's growth reflects a global movement celebrating female empowerment and athletic excellence. Each match delivers compelling narratives of triumph, resilience, and unforgettable sporting moments. These athletes demonstrate exceptional skill, transforming every game into a captivating spectacle for new and seasoned fans. Their dedication inspires countless individuals, proving that talent knows no gender boundaries in competitive arenas. The strategic depth of women's cricket rivals any format, demanding precise execution and quick tactical adjustments. From boundary-smashing sixes to crucial wicket-taking deliveries, the excitement is constant and palpable. This evolution has captivated audiences worldwide, establishing women's cricket as an undeniable powerhouse. Prepare to witness the sheer brilliance that defines this incredible and rapidly expanding sporting phenomenon. The game's electrifying highlights often begin with a batter stepping up, ready to dominate the crease. Imagine a batter like Smriti Mandhana, known for her elegant left-handed strokes and powerful drives. She consistently finds gaps in the field, dispatching balls to the boundary with graceful precision. Another remarkable player is Alyssa Healy, whose aggressive hitting often clears the longest boundaries effortlessly. Her explosive power often turns seemingly impossible shots into spectacular, game-changing sixes. But these batting heroics are only one part of the exhilarating equation. Bowling brilliance frequently dictates match outcomes, with bowlers delivering incredible variations and speeds. Catherine Brunt, a seasoned pacer, consistently challenges batters with her relentless accuracy and swing. Her ability to extract movement off the pitch makes her a constant threat, taking crucial wickets.
Then there's Megan Schutt, whose in-swinging deliveries often trap the best batter's leg before wicket.
Unique whose angles and subtle changes of in-swinging pace, create and almost deliveries, often trap the best unplayable challenger for batters' leg before wicket opponents. Yet, the true spectacle unfolds when the unexpected happens, turning a routine moment into pure magic. Fielding in women's cricket is equally astonishing, featuring acrobatic catches and pinpoint runouts. Players like Harmanpreet Kaur demonstrate incredible athleticism, plucking balls out of thin air. Her boundary catches often defy gravity, showcasing incredible agility and quick reflexes under pressure. Sophie Devine, a brilliant all-rounder, combines her powerful hitting with exceptional fielding prowess. She makes incredible saves, preventing crucial runs and executing direct hit runouts with pinpoint accuracy. These moments of individual brilliance, however, often lead to an even greater collective outcome. Strategic captaincy also plays a vital role, orchestrating field placements and bowling changes masterfully. Meg Lanning, a highly successful captain, consistently guides her team through high-pressure situations. Her astute decisions often shift momentum, turning seemingly lost causes into memorable victories. The synergy between captain and team creates a formidable unit, executing complex plans flawlessly. Imagine the tension of a final over, where every single delivery holds the fate of the match. And then, something utterly breathtaking unfolds, solidifying a player's legendary status forever. Iconic moments include last ball sixes that secure improbable victories against all odds. Unforgettable hat tricks from bowlers completely dismantle batting lineups in a flurry of wickets. Teams chasing down monumental totals display incredible resilience, stunning their opponents and fans. These highlight reels are not just individual feats, but testament to a team's collective fighting spirit.
Each incredible play elevates the game, proving that women's cricket delivers unparalleled entertainment consistently.
It demonstrates that elite athleticism and captivating competition transcend traditional gender stereotypes effortlessly. It demonstrates that elite athleticism and captivating competition transcend traditional gender stereotypes effortlessly. Young girls around the world now see powerful role models achieving greatness on a global stage. This visibility inspires a new generation, encouraging participation and fostering dreams of sporting careers. The growing fan base signals a significant cultural shift, embracing diversity and inclusion in sports. Major sponsors recognize this expanding market, investing more resources into professional women's leagues. Increased funding leads to better facilities, improved coaching, and enhanced professional development for athletes. This virtuous cycle further elevates the standard of play, creating even more compelling matches.
The impact extends beyond the boundary ropes, promoting health, teamwork, and leadership qualities.
Women's cricket showcases the power of collective effort, where individual talents combine for greater success. It fosters a sense of community among supporters, united by their passion for the game. The sport's increasing popularity strengthens its voice in advocating for equality across all athletic domains. Every highlight package serves as a powerful testament to the skill, dedication, and spirit of these players. Their achievements rewrite history, proving that excellence knows no boundaries, only dedication and hard work. This ripple effect continues to grow, leaving an indelible mark on the landscape of global sport. Witnessing such high-caliber performances truly redefines what is possible within competitive cricket. Women's cricket delivers an electrifying experience, filled with unparalleled skill and unforgettable moments of sporting genius. If you found these highlights compelling, subscribe for more incredible sports stories and share your favorite moments below. Join our journey as we explore the captivating world of athletic achievement and inspiring triumphs.